we just jumped on North Carolina 28. We're in Georgia, but we'll be in North Carolina soon enough. If you watched my War Woman video, I told you that I was planning to take this all the way up to Deals Gap. I don't get out here that often, and every time I'm on this road I say that I should ride this road more. If you go south, this road takes you to Walhalla, South Carolina. It's a good ride. There's some decent restaurants down there. They put a tar snake right down the middle of this road. The lady at the convenience store, she said, good Lord, some of the bikes come by here so fast you can't even tell what color they are. I looked at her and just jokingly said, I'm sorry, ma'am. I haven't done that in a long time, but I know what she's talking about. We all do it sometimes. I'm not going to scold you. If you're one of the guys that has to run wide open all the time, I'm not going to scold you. I know, it's fun. But there's a time and place to do it. Sometimes in neighborhoods and communities and stuff like that, might not be the proper place. Most of the guys I ride with, they don't ride fast when the road gets straight. They don't dial it up. I find it's more fun just tooling through the twisties, not really worrying about the straight part. Gotta say, if you go back and watch this video, there's a lot of loose reflectors. You see them all? I mean, there was like 3 right there. And there's another one. Another one. One, two. There's one. What'd you do on your ride today? We counted reflectors on the road. We're in North Carolina now. North Carolina, they either put the reflectors down correctly or they don't put any down at all. Like right now, there's no reflectors on this road. But Georgia put the reflectors down in September, and then when it snows in December, the snowplow will pop all those reflectors off the yellow line. They just throw their money away. I think the last time I was up here was with my neighbor. And that's a funny story. He doesn't talk to me anymore. I've lost more friends I've lost more people who I thought were friends over a motorcycle tire change than anything else I've ever done in my life.